Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Bliss Vlogs. If you're visiting here for the first time, hi, my name is Kushi, and it would mean everything if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Um, I have been very irregular lately. I'm really sorry about that, but इट्स अ मैस. मैं यहाँ से वहाँ शिफ्ट हो रही हूँ, मैं पानीपत शिफ्ट हुई. आई स्टेड अ फ्यू डेज इन गेस्ट हाउस, देन आई वेंट टू गुजरात टू विजिट माई होम टाउन एंड वहाँ पे घूमी एंड देन आई अगेन केम बैक हियर एंड माई हाउस इज स्टिल नॉट सेट प्रॉपरली. So there is a lot of things going on, which is why I was not being able to upload regularly. But now I'm trying to be regular. गुजरात का फर्स्ट व्लॉग आ गया था एंड द सेकेंड वन वॉज रिमेनिंग बट आई couldn't shoot at all properly because Gujarat mein I was in such a hurry. I didn't have time for even 1 minute. There were a lot of things to be done. So I couldn't essentially vlog. Uh, but मेरे पास है थोड़े pictures and videos about the meets I had with all of my friends and जितना भी time I could spend outside in those 10-12 days. Um, so you guys can see that. इसके बाद I'll attach all of that because I didn't shoot an intro that time. Um, okay, so you guys see that and then I'll see you guys again in a bit. Hi guys, it's a little later. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday I didn't shoot anything because yesterday was a relaxing, chill day. I did nothing, so I didn't shoot anything. But today is Tuesday, and I'm going to a mall with my mom, my brother, and one neighbor and her children. So we're gonna be going there. We're gonna be having fun. This is what I'm wearing. It's a um, tube top. This I bought from here. I'll do a little haul thing of the items that I bought. But for starters, this is one tube top, and these are the shorts. This I did not buy. I had these, but this is what I bought, and I'm wearing a little bit of accessories, a little bit of eyeliner, and I'm good to go. Um, yeah, let's go and have fun. Okay, so that was all about Gujarat. After that, I came back. I didn't shoot the whole coming back journey because I think you guys have seen it pretty much lot of times. We came back in a train, uh, this time in first AC. So that was pretty cool. Uh, I traveled in a train after I don't know how many years, after 5 6 years I guess. But it was amazing. Um, बहुत मज़ा आया. आई हैव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ वीडियो ऑफ द ट्रेन कोच जो हम लोग का. इट वॉज अ रूम काइंड ऑफ ए थिंग. फर्स्ट एसी था तो दे हैड दिस डोर था और उसके अंदर एक ऐसे रूम जैसा था जिसमें 4 सीट्स थे. सो आई अटैच दैट. Yes, उसके बाद we came back. I came back on the 9th, and 10th को there was गणेश चतुर्थी. Uh, हम लोग हर साल बिठाते हैं गणपति, but this year we couldn't because our house was a mess. Uh, Nothing was set, and bringing home Ganpati is a huge responsibility. So we didn't, we couldn't do it this time. But there is one thing that happened very nice on that day. We bought a new car. We bought a Ertiga hybrid automatic model in blue color, which is pretty cool. I love the car. It is an amazing car. Um, I'm so happy, and I'm so proud of my dad. It's very good. So you guys can see the car. I shot a little video of the interior of the car as well as the exterior, and there are some pictures of the day that we bought home the car. So I'll attach that, and that is about it. Uh, that was about my new car. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about the new car. I love the car. It's very cool. It's very spacious, and it gives a very cool vibe. So I love that. Um, that is it about this video. I don't know how this video turned out. It might have been all over the place, but I'll try to be regular from next week. I have 2 videos planned, and I hope I can that pull that off. With that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. uh, Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do everything you can to show your love. uh, I'll hopefully see you guys next week. I'm really trying. I'll try to be regular now. But yes, I'll see you guys next Monday. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. I love you all. Bye.